Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Okay, I really just tried to film that intro, but I'm so scared that somebody's gonna walk out, so. Nope. All right. Hey y'all, what's up? It is Meezy, and today is the highly anticipated apartment tour. So let's just do it. Yes, so I am finally filming my apartment tour because I know it's that time of year where everybody's getting job offers and you are moving to different cities, or maybe you're looking for jobs because you're about to graduate and you're like, but I want to live in this city. So I just wanted to show you like some of your options for where you can live. And so I live in a suburb of DC. It's about 15 to 20 minutes outside of DC. It's called Bethesda. It's actually in Maryland. Maryland, DC, and Virginia are very close. You can cross the street and be in a different state. So that's why I live in Maryland. My job is in DC. What else do you need to know? Oh, my rent is $1,700 and my apartment is about 800 square feet. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you that that is not normal around here, and it's definitely not normal where I live. This apartment would probably cost at least $2,000 a month, and then have like another $200 for parking every month. But I just kind of got really lucky, and my rent is just $1,700. So I'm really winning in that aspect. What else? I think that's everything that you need to know. I'll say I love this area and I love this apartment, so I want to show you guys. So an important thing is that lighting in these apartments is not very good. You don't have much central lighting. You always have like lighting in a few places, and then you have to buy lamps to cover the rest. So the lighting in this video will be a little off, but hey, that's real life. That's real life. So here we are at my door, and you come in and you see the linen closet. And I mean, it's where I keep my linens and anything related, and then I have all my jackets there. I hang whatever purse I'm currently using on there. You see dog food and a mop, more jackets and more linens. That's what's in there, and more dog things. That's besides his travel carrier. Alrighty, so let's go to the kitchen next. Okay, so this space right here is my pride and joy. I love this table. I mean, I was in the furniture shop. I saw this table and I was like, I have to have it. This is a marble top table. It is solid. It is so heavy. Me and my friends had a fun time moving that. And then I have these ghost chairs, as they're called, which I also love. Those bar stools over there, even though I don't have a bar anymore. In my first two apartments I had bars, so I have those. Yeah, so the stools are from Wayfair, and then this table is from a local furniture shop called Bob's Discount Furniture. And I'm sure they have them in multiple states, but yeah. This is my giant teddy bear. This is my kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. Let me bring you out so you can see even more. Okay, let's bring you out. Okay, so this is the kitchen. This is easily the most beautiful kitchen I've ever seen, at least in a DC apartment. So let's bring you back in. And so we'll start from this side. So this is my junk drawer. Don't judge, everybody has one. This is where I keep my utensils and such. This is like the towels and my Jim and Pam clock, because there's really nowhere else where that goes. And then my pictures of my friends. My iPad just happens to be sitting there today. I don't know why I'm gonna show you guys all this, but this is the cabinet of nothingness, really. It holds my adult beverages and such. This is where I keep all my dishes, and I would say that most of my dishes are in the dishwasher right now, but to be honest, these are like most of my dishes. I'm missing like 2 plates right now, maybe 3. I do have a lot of cups though, so these are my cups. I have way too many of these like reusable water bottles, and then some plastic stuff for if I have a lot of people over, and a crock pot that almost never gets used. What else? So we have this side, and then we have this beautiful sink. And it's one of the fancier ones. So you turn it on, and you can do like a hardcore spray, or you can do a little mist spray. It also comes down, so I think that is absolutely gorgeous. You turn off the water. And then this is my dish rack. Nothing special about that. It's from TJ Maxx. This is my beautiful 5-burner stove. Love it, love it, love it. I never thought I'd have a 5-burner stove. The reason is because I absolutely hate cooking. So this beautiful kitchen, and it always gets used, but there's no hardcore cooking going on here. And you might be wondering, where's my refrigerator? It is right here. And I also love that. I've always wanted this kind of refrigerator, so I was super lit. It's actually pretty full right now, compared to what it normally is. So just think about what my fridge normally looks like. Same thing with the freezer. It is right here. And then this is like the pantry where I keep all my dry foods, I guess, that don't need to be cold. And then up here, there's even more foods. Let's see, my trash can goes under here. It's right there. And you can pull that out as necessary. And then the dishwasher is right here. And there's also a second dishwasher. So just really cool things. In the kitchen, I think this is a really nice place. And I have my microwave because this apartment didn't come with one, and I tried not to use a microwave and tried to only use the oven, but I got tired of waiting 40 minutes for my food to heat up, so I gave in and bought a microwave. Alrighty, now let's move to the living room. Okay, so let's start on this side. We have our beautiful side table. The table's from IKEA. I can't remember the name of it. And you know, we have our successful Black women on the table, all their Vogues, and this mirror and that empty vase. I don't know why. My love seat and a nice little picture there because I'm an adult, so I need art in my house. And then we have my setup. So this is my desk. You've seen this in most of my videos because this is what I sit in front of. Yeah, so I just have this Dell monitor. It is 32 inches. And then it gets plugged into my MacBook Pro, which you can see right there. And then I have my Magic Mouse, Magic Keyboard. Yep, just all the fun stuff right there. And then my Google Home sits right there behind it, hiding, listening all the time. This is a side space, his bed and his bowls and his bucket of toys. This is my TV. This is a Samsung. It is a curved TV, and it is 65 inches. So I got this TV back when the curves were still a thing. So yeah, it's almost 3 years old. And you can see I have my books and then like my sorority stuff. My science Barbie, my Switch, that is my camera, my like real camera, and then my Vogues, which aside knocked over. But yep, those are my Vogues. And then that binder over there is my life playbook. So, alrighty, now let's take you into the bathroom. Oh, before we get to the bathroom, this is like a little corridor, and it looks like it was made to house like a very nice statue or a bust or something like that. And as you can see, I use it to hold my filming equipment. So I'm sure it's not what the landlord intended. Next, we're gonna take you to the bathroom. Alrighty, so this is my bathroom. I think it's super cute. It is small though. I can say that. It is small, but it's so cute. We got a nice granite countertop. This super cute faucet. This super bomb lighting. And that's just my inspirational note. Don't pay it any mind. This is my lotion collection that's currently out. My Scentsy that smells like happy birthday. And then a candle. I keep a Google Home in here so that I can listen to music while I'm in the shower or just getting ready and stuff. And then of course, you know, you gotta keep your wipes on you. This is just a toilet. Nothing special about that. But this towel rack, there is something special about that. It is actually a heated towel rack. So if you see right here, it's off. Dang it. Focus. All right, there we go. So this is the towel rack and I can turn it on. Yep, you see? Yeah. So you can't feel it, but this does heat up and it keeps the towels pretty warm. And then this is my shower. I like the little shower hooks that I chose. I think those are super cute. And then I also want to show you the faucet in my shower. So it's really neat because it's that, like, I don't know, it's kind of like antique style to me. Only thing I don't like is that the water comes straight down. Let me show you what I mean. So if you can see, the water is just going straight down into the tub, right? So there's no way for me to move that shower head. So there's no way for me to move that shower head, so I have to stand directly under here to take a shower. And that is pretty annoying, but you know, you pay for aesthetics. You pay for the aesthetic. Now let's go to, oh wait, I didn't tell you. This hand soap smells like champagne, and if you love yourself, you will buy it. I actually stocked up and I have like 6 bottles of this. So, you know, if you fancy living, starts with champagne toast hand soap. Alrighty, and last but not least, my bedroom. Okay, so remember what I said about the lighting, like there's no lights up top. Just lamps powering this baby. So we have right here my vanity. You can see all my makeup brushes, some of my perfumes, all my makeup. Funny story, there's actually makeup in here. And then this is where I keep all my jewelry and my sunglasses. Another empty vase. You can tell I have a theme going on. My fancier perfumes, pictures, more sorority stuff. This mirror from IKEA, a lamp from Target, my beautiful bed. I really like this bed. I feel like I sound nervous. I'm not nervous. I've just been talking for a really long time. Yeah, my bed and then a nice C table. And what's nice about this C table is that it has the like outlets in the back. So I have my phone and iPad and all that stuff can plug into that. And then I keep this my duffel bag on the floor because I think it's kind of just a vibe. I think it kind of makes the room look really cute. Even though I spend the least amount of time in this room, I definitely wanted to make it very nice and very like me and just a place that I love to be, because low-key this is where I spend the most amount of time because I'm asleep in this room. And I actually do sleep a lot. So even though I might not be looking at the room, I can feel the vibes. So here is my closet. It's like, it's a pretty big closet. It's technically 2 closets put together. So I keep all my sweaters up here and then more sorority stuff up there. Suitcase, dirty clothes. Let's go to the other side. We got my designer show-off collection. In my old apartment, I had a walk-in closet, and this was more, it was easier to see. Like, every time I opened my closet, I would see it, but I just kind of wanted to keep the same theme, even though I don't see it all the time. And then clothes, you know, because that's what goes in the closet. I also put this little hook right here so that I can hang my clothes for the next day there. Also, if you see in the corner right there, there's a steamer because I like to steam my clothes, so sometimes I'll hang them there to steam them. Here's the other side of the closet. You can see I have some purses up there, have some purses there. This little thing right here, it actually houses all of my like electronics. And then we have more clothes. There's some shoes up there, and then there's also shoes down there. And then you can see at the very top, we have scarves, we have more shoes, linens, well, really just towels, and then more clothes, of course, and then my more shoes, and my Texas Tech trunk, which houses, you guessed it, more clothes. Okay, I went over everything on the dresser, but not the actual dresser. So my dresser is something that every girl seems to have. Everybody on Instagram has his dresser or some form of it. Hello, Assad has to make his entrance in the video as always. Seems like everybody has this dresser, and this is also from Bob's Discount Furniture. And then that super cute mirror because, you know, I had to make it all silver, just like everybody on Instagram. Stars, they're just like us. And that's Assad's cage, where right now there's blankets in there, but normally he pulls them out, and I don't know why. And they end up all over the house. And that is my room. That is my house. That is everything I wanted to show you. This is my chill outfit, you know, with my fuzzy socks. I let you in to my life a little bit more. If you have any questions about like living in DC or moving to DC, feel free to leave them in the comments. And I think that's it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.